Chenro mag thieth koro to dok e wang'e mane ute thieth mopogore opogore e kaunti no ma Mombasa. Bang' lakteche kuok e kaunti no koro to timo winjruok makende koda katend kaunti no ma Mombasa. Winjruok mabende koro to miyo lakteche go oweyo ng'anyo margi magisebedo ka gibago kendo gidhi godo nyime. E winjruok makamano koro to dhi neno ni lakteche go omedi osara kachiel koda ka oteku mar tich kendo obernegi sekta no mar thieth. E seche nogo kane oloso to gavana ma Mombasa County Migosi Abdul Swamad Nasir to owacho ni piny owacho mar kaunti no mokalo manotelie koda ka Migosi Ali Hassan Joho emano weyo midhiero mabende koro to kwako sekta mar thieth e kaunti no ma Mombasa.
So in the morning we had Kamkunji with doctors to discuss the various issues that we had raised on the strike notice that we issued last week that was lapsing tonight. Number one of the issues was the issue of promotion of doctors. We had asked the county to promote all the doctors that had not been promoted. But in the meeting now, we have agreed with the county that all the doctors that had not been promoted are going to be promoted. We have 105 doctors who are 15 from the common cadre, then 25 to job group, 33 to job group, 39 to job group Q, 25 to job, 33 to job group P, 17 to job group R, and 4 to job group S will be promoted by 1st of April. That is a total of 105 doctors. We've also discussed and agreed that the remaining 20 doctors will get their letters of promotion by 1st of July 2026. So that means that all the doctors that we presented for the county will be promoted on 1st of April and 1st of July. We also discussed the issue of doctors on contracts and have had a deliberation with the county and agreed that the county will review this particular contract and these doctors will get their letters of confirmation and or changes to permanent and pensionable terms by 1st of June 2026 after the review. We further discussed the issue of SACCOs that county had not paid for about 5 months, and when we reviewed, we found that the pending time was 2 months, and the county agreed that they will pay the 1 month within the next, by June, then the other 1 month in the next financial year.
Maybe let me rephrase this. I think these negotiations took quite a bit of time. First of all, I want to thank the union for being able to come over. However, we have agreed in principle on everything. The teams will remain behind, who are the technical teams, but for the purposes of relaying the message, whatever it is that has been agreed has already been agreed on. One, there was an agreement that was done in the year 2021, and that agreement had yet to be finalized. I am glad to state that even before receiving the letter, part of that agreement had already been done and dusted. It is only a few that were remaining. Some have already been given their letters, and some are the ones that are currently being processed. The other issue that had been raised was the issue of contractual employees. I have stated to the union, who I understand they say that they can only be able to speak to the on behalf of doctors, but I need to be able to speak on behalf from the sweeper to everyone else. The policy, and when we came in, we made sure that anyone who had a contract of 3 years, 2 3-year contracts, is given PNP. The reason for this is so that people can be able to understand, you know, we can be able to study you, your discipline, attendance, and so forth. However, the Union of Doctors has requested that a possibility of now reviewing those people who have already started their contracts, and we've seen that they're actually doing their work. But as we do that, the county government will do it simultaneously for all other cadres. That means from the doctors to the nurses to the firemen to inspectorate and everyone else. This is something that has no budgetary implications on the county government. The only difference is we can now be able to know, are these people really, really fit to be able to be given permanent and pensionable employment terms.